Hi guys, this is just a quick video showing how to change the air filter on a 2016 Kia Optima Turbo. You can see that this is a turbo GDI engine. Looks like Kia has simplified the process of changing the air filter really well, and this is slightly different from the older models of the Kia Optima. As you can see that the filter box is right here. It's written pull out to open. All you have to do is put your finger underneath there and this just pops off. I had to use both my fingers simultaneously just to pop this lid off there. There are two knobs which you turn down, and the old filter just slides out of the box. This is the intake side, looks like, and it's fairly clean, but you can see on this side it's really dirty. Have the new filter here, genuine OEM Kia Optima part, and you can see that it's clean, new. All you have to do is slide it back with these two knobs facing you. Just slide it back into the box like a cassette or a CD. Fits right in. Turn these two knobs back up and it's locked in place. So you cannot pull it out, and you just have to angle this cover here on top and it just pops right back in there, and now it's in place. That's a really easy way to change the air filter, and I commend Kia for making it so easy to change the air filter. Hope you guys find this helpful.